What's up, YouTube? I'm about to do a demo on this, the 5-inch American Supers by Certified Black Label right there. Certified Black Label is basically big fireworks, if you're familiar with them. You know, Pro Shells, Reapers, all that. So yeah, this was the original 5-inch shell, by the way, the American Supers. I just want to throw it out there. This is how the box looks. Already done half of it. Blue shells. And here's the effects list right here. I'm gonna list them off. Blue with white strobe, brocade crown with blue, brocade crown, brocade to crackle, green dahlia and purple peony, green dahlia with TI silver chrysanthemum, green strobe with crackle, green wave with white strobe, pink and sea blue orange peony, purple and green dahlia, purple and green wave with white strobe, purple and green wave, purple green yellow peony, red and green wave, red dahlia with TI silver chrysanthemum, red dahlia with white strobe, red and green peony, red peony with crackle, red wave with crackle, red wave with white strobe, sea blue with crackle, TI silver chrysanthemum, white strobe, yellow, and blue peony. So yeah, that's the effects list right there. One more time. Let me pause the video and I'm gonna show you guys the shells in the tube. Like I said, half of them are missing because I've already done half. Take it out. Bam. That's how they look. Let me pause the video again, that way I can show you guys how the tube looks. So that's how the tube looks right there. Bam. Certified Black Label on there right there. American Super 5-inch. Again, look at the shells. Alright, let's get to the demo. The recording order for the American Supers is going to be green dahlia with TI silver chrysanthemum, green dahlia and purple peony, brocade to crackle, brocade crown with blue, and blue with white strobe. So it's going to be these two together, and then these two last. Alright, let me get to it. First of two American Supers, 5-inch. Damn, white spreads. Really nice colors. Next two. Sick brocades. Very sick brocades. And the last two. Beautiful blue. Really beautiful blue. Damn, that shit went hard. Just got back from demoing, and I think I got pretty lucky with that sleeve. That sleeve had a lot of brocade effects, as you guys saw, and those brocades were going pretty far and wide. I forgot how good the spreads are on these things. It's been years since I fired off any of these American Supers. But as you guys saw in the video, man, those spreads, they're something else. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think.